Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose, and this is an intermediate modern jive clip showing you how to do a lady's lunge. Now, this is a little bit unusual in that the guy is setting up the move, giving the lady an opportunity to do something, and the lady might take him up or might not. So this is kind of heading into sabotage territory, but isn't actually a sabotage. So there's not an awful lot you can have done in preparation for this. So we'll show you it and we'll talk you through from there. So it goes 7 and 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then there's lots of options as to how you get out of it. So first off, what the lady's going to be doing, she's going to actually be pulling, so she's using the guy to help her. She's going to lunge, so she's going to go weight onto one leg whilst pushing the other leg back, and she's going to be using the fella's connection to help her do the entire manoeuvre. But let's talk through from scratch and see how we go. So it goes semicircling back. I'm doing this left to right, it doesn't have to be, and it comes off of a travelling return. So we're going to do the travelling return. We're going to give the lady more energy than usual, and if she doesn't take us up on this, this just means we're going to come back with a bit more pop than usual. It's going to feel like you want to stop for a fraction of a second because you got there so early, and then you're going to carry on. So it's almost just an emphasis point in the music. However, if the lady's going, oh, I can use this, which is what we're hoping, we're going to send the lady back. Guys, make sure you've got a nice sturdy base. So that's one leg forward, one leg back. As you push, the lady can then do her lunge, go back with one leg, sink onto the other, and actually pull on the guy to get some stability. Remember to style your spare arm. Guys, keep an eye on the lady, and then when you're ready, you pull to keep that motion going and you come in. Now at this point you've got choices. You can either have the guy come to the lady and do something from there, or you can be here, and because the lady doesn't really feel that ready to come forwards, you either have a very slow step forwards and work from that, or you get up and you actually just send the lady's weight back to prep yourself to go into whatever you're going to do next. So basically, guy comes to the lady comes forward slowly, or you take the time to do that little bounce of the weight backwards to set her up to come forwards. Okay, so let's talk numbers. We go back 1, travelling return 2, push for length 3, ladies go into the lunge and sink down, make something of it for 4. It could be 5 even if you're going to take your time. We're going to pull back up though for 5 on this occasion, and then we're ready to go into whatever we're going to go into to get out of it. Okay, let's try it together. Obviously when you're doing a lunge like that, do help each other, and if you're not used to doing things like that, do warm up and maybe even take some advice as to whether you're okay to do it. Okay, so be careful, in other words. Here we go. 5, 6, a lady's lunge. We go a back, over, pop, and down, and up. And then you're ready to go. Hope you enjoy that. Hope it turns out to be something that you enjoy doing on the dance floor. We'll be back next time with another modern jive clip. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell. That way you'll know every time a new video comes out. I'll put up a music recommendation on the end in the little boxes that come up in the last few seconds of the video, and as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you have enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.